Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw the Honda Civic Type R. We'll begin by laying down the fundamental shapes that define its powerful silhouette. Pay close attention to capturing its distinctive wide body and low, aggressive stance right from the start. Remember to use a light hand for your initial sketches. This makes adjustments much simpler as you refine your drawing. This foundational step is crucial for a successful final piece. Next, let's refine the body lines, bringing out the sharp, angular details that make the Type R so recognizable. Carefully draw the prominent rear wing, ensuring its dynamic shape is accurate, and don't forget the distinctive triple exhaust pipes. Move to the front, focusing on the intricate design of the grille and the sharp, modern headlights. These elements truly give the car its unique personality and aggressive appeal. Now we'll tackle the wheels, which are a critical part of the Type R's look. Draw the large, multi-spoke rims and the visible brake calipers with precision. Make sure the wheel arches perfectly frame the tires, emphasizing the car's sporty nature. If your perspective allows, add subtle hints of the interior, like the racing seats or dashboard, to give your drawing more depth and realism. These small details enhance the overall impact. For our final slide, it's all about bringing your drawing to life with shading and finishing touches. Use shading to create depth, making the car appear three-dimensional and highlighting its sculpted contours. Vary your line weights. Thicker lines for outlines and thinner ones for details will add significant visual interest. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. These final steps will make your Honda Civic Type R drawing truly pop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.